I'm Gia Nicolaides. It's day 132 of the national lockdown. According to the latest figures released by the Health Department, there are 345 more COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the death toll to 8,884. The number of active cases, people who still have the virus, is over 148,000, and the recovery rate has gone up to 69.8%. Health Minister Willem Kise says the latest COVID-19 data shows that Gauteng, the Western Cape and the Eastern Cape seem to have already reached their peaks and are likely to see a further slowdown until the end of the month. He says social distancing, wearing of masks and sanitising are the country's main line of defence. He's warned if South Africans abandon these measures, the country could see a surge in the infection rate again, this time much higher. Facing heavy criticism for its lack of action against corruption, the ANC now says it will strengthen its structures to deal with graft within the party and government. The ANC says it's embarrassed and outraged by recent corruption allegations against some of its leaders involving COVID-19 tenders. Minister of Basic Education, Angie Motshekga, says pupils will be taught and assessed on what she called a trimmed curriculum this academic year. The content left out this year would be incorporated into the 2021 curriculum. Today, British American Tobacco SA's challenge to the ban on the sale of tobacco products comes before the court. They'll be arguing, among other things, that the regulations infringe on citizens' right to privacy in their homes, as well as dignity, which makes it considerably different from FETA's court arguments. FETA didn't succeed, but there's movement on that front as it's applying for leave to appeal in the Supreme Court of Appeal. And the court has granted an application to move the process along quicker. So now the president has to deliver his answering affidavit by Friday at 3 p.m. and FETA must file its response to that by next Tuesday. Meanwhile, the alcohol industry reckons a court challenge is not on the table just yet, but it's discussing with government how the restrictions on the sale of alcohol could be lifted. Taking a wider look, defending champion Rafael Nadal says he will not play in the US Open, citing concerns over the coronavirus and slamming tennis's barbaric schedule. And the US has begun late-stage clinical trials into a drug formulated to fight COVID-19. The medicine is an antibody against the new coronavirus, which was identified in a blood sample of a recovered patient. For more on the pandemic, go to our website, ewn.co.za, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.